All right now I'm replacing my trunk button on my 2011 Toyota Camry. Which trim? XLE. I can't believe I forgot that. Just literally just trying to replace this little rubber piece up here, but it's being annoying. So you're supposed to just use this screwdriver, the cross tip thing, but they're really cheap, literally just super cheap, like 1 cent screws. So whoever's struggling with this is why I'm making the video. I just got one of these boys. Sorry for the bad angles and stuff, but yeah, I'm literally just gripping on them. I don't know if I could do this while recording, but nope, probably can't. My hand's weak. This one actually broke earlier this year, and I'm trying to squeeze it on, but hold up. Literally, this is what I've been doing, twisting it like that for like the past like 10 minutes. But since this is annoying, I figured I'd just record it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna just take another clip of me when I actually install this, instead of that busted rubber that you see there that's like disintegrated for that's supposed to cover the button. But yeah, I ordered this online. I think it was on eBay. I think it was on eBay for like $7 or something. Comes with new screws too, and then just the rubber. So you could literally just get this tool. That's it. If the screwdriver doesn't work and it actually like strips like mine. But yeah, I'm gonna record the results after I'm done with it. So I got the screws out. As you can see how garbage they are with the rubber stuck on it and everything. Disgusting. Stripped. And then the new ones, these are actually a little bit longer too, which is actually cool. Hold on, let me put them next to each other. Looks pretty long. I don't even think this is a washer right here. I think this is actually a piece of metal. Oh wait, I meant rubber, not metal. But is it a washer? Might be. I might use those. Actually, I don't know, because it's really gonna be on rubber anyway. So, but there's a lot of excess rubber. I think I'm gonna just literally just put it right over it and not care that much, you know, because it's not that serious. It's just a button. But yeah. All right, finished putting it in. It's actually a little bit loose, like there's still play in it. I can move it like up and down, but it's not that serious. It still works. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. I was pushing the wrong spot. Yeah, it's just rubber over it, so I didn't care about the extra crap under it, whatever. And then I know for a fact these screws aren't gonna come out, but it's just a little bit of play. But really just some $5 piece of rubber makes it like not have like I already washed it off, but some black stuff on your hands from the old rubber and crap. So just something simple, easy as heck to do by yourself. But yeah, that's it.